There are so many ways to manifest your wildest dreams, but in this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 favorite ways to manifest. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candace. Thank you so much for being here. On this channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, giving you encouragement throughout your entire week. I have some exciting news to tell you. I have my own Instagram filter. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and a ton of you have already been using this filter, so thank you for that. But check it out here. Hey everyone, this is my new filter. All you have to do is tap the screen, and you are going to get your affirmation of the day. My actions create prosperity. Enjoy! I am beyond excited for this filter, giving you an affirmation of the day. How cool is that? I'm super excited about it. So I hope you use it. Check it out on my Instagram at Candace Nikea. So let's get into this video. So there are so many different ways of how to manifest and to manifest your dreams, but I'm gonna give you my top 5 favorite ways to manifest my dreams. And all 5 ways have worked tremendously in my life, and I want them to work for you. So pick one to use or do all of them. For me, it depends on what I'm manifesting, and then I go through my 5 and pick which ones I want to do that day. Or whatever I feel matches with my desire, I pick out of these 5 ways to manifest. The first type of manifesting is called scripting. Have you heard of scripting? Well, scripting is when you write down exactly what you desire and write it in the present tense. So you're gonna say like, I am so grateful and happy that I have my dream home and it's this amount of square feet and has this amount of bedrooms and it's located in this city. You get super specific and you put it all in one sheet and you write it all down. Write it as if it's already happened and it is happening right now. So scripting is such an easy way to manifest, and it really gets you in a good feeling. With scripting, you are writing in your own journal of the exact ways and the exact feelings of how it would be when your desire is manifested into your reality. So write it all down. How would it make you feel? When would you get this? Are you putting down dates of when you will have this desire manifest? Are you putting every single detail? Well, I hope you are, because that's what scripting is all about. The second type of manifesting is manifesting something small. This one is so fun because it develops your manifesting skills and it gets rid of your limiting beliefs. Try to manifest maybe a free coffee or a feather on the ground, maybe a penny, or even seeing the numbers 111. Those are all small things you can manifest, and then you can get bigger with your manifestation desires and bigger. Sometimes when we manifest something that's super big to us, we have these limiting beliefs because we are building resistance and we get doubt in our spirit that affects our desire to be manifested. So when we start with small things like this, we figure out the power of manifestation. So as you grow in your manifesting skills, you can start manifesting bigger things like cars and your dream job, maybe a loving relationship, things that really bring joy to you. But start with something small so you can have that belief. You know, it starts with the belief. Once you build that belief, anything is possible. Powerful creators, the third way to manifest anything you want is create a vision board. Now, vision boards are very enjoyable to make because you're picking anything you want out of a catalog. What I like to do when it's time for me to make a new vision board for myself, I will put on some really soothing music, maybe some uplifting, positive music, and I'll light some candles. I make this whole ambiance very soothing for myself. I bring out my magazines. I have maybe 5 to 6 magazines in different categories. A home magazine, a wedding magazine, a fashion magazine. You know, I get everything at the grocery store when I'm getting my magazines. I'm like, ooh, I want that. You know, I would love to be on the cover of this magazine. You know, you are really picking whatever you desire out of these magazines. So you're gonna get a poster board. and alongside your magazines, you'll have scissors, and you go through each page of the magazine and you just see what resonates with you, what feels good. Oh my goodness, this dream vacation in the tropics, ooh, I would love to go there. So you cut that out and you place it on your vision board. Or you see something else that you truly desire. Maybe it's your family living super close to you. There's so many photos in magazines, especially the family magazines. I love to buy those. And I cut out the families with the grandparents and the kids and the cousins, because I want to see that in my family. And that's manifested in my life. A couple of years ago, I posted a photo on my vision board, and it had like the cousins and parents and grandparents all together. And I put that up there, and just a year later, I was going to a big gathering for Thanksgiving with cousins and grandparents and my family and my parents and my brother. It had manifested. So with vision boards, only put up what you desire. Don't put up what you don't want. That's not gonna work. Just put up what you desire. And try your best to not get into these limited beliefs, you know, cutting out a dream vacation and already saying, I probably will never go here. No, just cut it out and have confidence that you will go there someday. With everything that you put on your vision board, it all comes down to divine timing. So place your pictures on that vision board and let it go. And place your vision board in an area that you can see on a daily basis. I have mine in my office, so it's right there, right beside my computer. So whenever I'm in my office, I have my vision board there, encouraging me, uplifting me, and getting me excited about the future, the near future. That's what I believe. Have you heard of this way to manifest? It's called the 55 times 5. Now this is the 4th way to manifest. Now this manifesting way takes dedication and discipline. So you are going to have an affirmation, and you are going to write this affirmation 55 times for 5 days in a row. So maybe your affirmation is, I am so happy and grateful now that I've completed the marathon. I am so happy and grateful now that I had a business deal with Dove. You know, you write down exactly what you desire, and you write this down 55 times, 5 days in a row. Make sure you're writing this affirmation in the present tense. Don't write it as if, oh, maybe it'll happen. I might run the marathon. I might complete my goals. You know, write it in the present tense. Bring that strength in that affirmation. Write it 55 times, 5 days in a row. And the last way to manifest is to visualize right before bed. Now, I learned this technique from Wayne Dyer. If you don't know Wayne Dyer, write his name down and look him up later after this video. He's definitely someone you want to know. So Wayne Dyer talks about how manifesting is so key when we are asleep. It goes into our subconscious, and that's when it just flows into our reality. So I love doing this one. Right before bed, I climb into bed and I truly visualize what I desire. So what I like to do, I'll put on some binaural, I think that's what it's called. I'll put on some drum or instrumental music that has like a humming sound. I'll put a link below to the exact music that I play right before I'm about to knock out. I put my headphones in and I listen to this music, and I try to do this for 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, I will just visualize my life, where I see it going, where I see my success and my family and everything that I desire in my life, and I will just visualize it. Like last night, I visualized myself meeting Oprah. How amazing would that be? I visualized it, I visualized her saying hi to me. Hi Candace, so nice to meet you. I visualized working with her. I visualized the interaction we would have. You know, I did this right before bed. And so once I went into sleep, I had this good feeling, and I ended up having a dream about her because I started my night with this visualization, and then it went into my subconscious. So when it goes into your subconscious, you just let the law of attraction do the rest. It's like laying the foundation to your desire. So when you lay this foundation to your desire by putting positivity and your desires in your subconscious, you just let it go at that point. You wake up and you just go about your day, but the law of attraction already knows what you desire, and it will work its magic and do what it needs to do so that your desire becomes your reality. So out of all of the 5 manifestation ways, which one's your favorite? Comment that one below. I would love to hear. Or if I didn't say the one that you do, comment that one below, because I'm totally up to learn from you guys on how to manifest. There's always new ways and techniques that I'm learning on a daily basis. So it's always fun to hear what you guys are doing to make your dreams come true. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you feel encouraged and uplifted, and I hope you find some way to manifest your wildest dreams. If you would like to be a part of the Powerful Creators community, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. Us Powerful Creators now have a Facebook group. Link is below, so join that Facebook group, get involved. We'll start talking about manifestations and even helping each other out manifesting our dreams. You know, if you say, oh my goodness, I want to write a book, but I don't know where to start, I want that group to be like, oh my gosh, I have someone who can help you. You know, we are all creating our dreams, so let's create our dreams together. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations, and use my Instagram filter, the new daily affirmations filter. Hit that bell notification button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And hit that like button if you learned something new today, or if you feel super uplifted and ready to manifest. I love you all so much, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you.